Ang good first ball, wala ka talagang play na masiset up. And then, Aryan Argarin has to come up with plays na hindi predictable. Kasi pag nasa front row si Honey Royce Tubino, sa kanya at sa kanya pupunta yan. And then, kanina, kay Jendrauli ng kay Jendrauli.
Oh,
So,
yes.
kung i-rotate niya yung sets niya, I think they'll be more unpredictable.
Well, nababasa nga ng maayos ng Photon yung kanilang mga plays. So on the side of Photon, is there something that you want to see na adjust sila or they maintain?
Yeah, for Photon naman, kailangan talaga walang service errors. Tapos kailangan more combination plays kasi I'm sure inaabangan niya ng maraming fans.
Let's see if they can set up. Makatuno will go to Lastimosa.
And there's a combination play.
Exactly. Argarin. Babalik tayo kay Tubino. And
nakalusot yung bola sa blockers ng Photon Tornadoes. I think that ball went in between the two blockers, so they have to be closer together when they go up for that block.
We haven't said Tubino's name all throughout the first set. Mga ilan-ngilan lang.
Oo nga.
Let's see if she can do a better job here in the second. Nice, good serve. Almost an ace, I thought. Argarin, double quick. Dug up, Makatuno, babalik kay Orendain. And hits it off, Jendrauli.
And Patty Orendain gets that off the block point for the Tornadoes. Itong si Patty Orendain is from Bacolod at ang kanyang course in college was hospitality management. Yes.
She is managing this game very well. The past few games, ang ganda ng mga pinapakita niya. At Tubino hits it outside once again. But now let's turn it over to Mitch.
Denise and Chicky, Coach Rosemary is obviously disappointed in their huddle earlier. The reason for this, hindi na daw sila nag-e-enjoy sa loob ng court. Ang titigas daw ng mga tigs nila, ika nga ni Coach Rosemary, wag daw kayong manggigil at mag-relax ng kayo sa loob ng court. Para sa kanyang huling mga salita, she gave specific instructions in guarding their defense down the line. At sabi niya, ngayon naman daw, dapat sila na ang mag-atake dahil butas na butas ang gitna ng Photon. Denise and Chicky?
You know, Chicky, we are in the playoffs. Pero kailangan natin tandaan that, what we're doing now, we're playing. How important is it ba talaga to, enjoy yourself inside the court?
Sobrang important yun. Kailangan nga, hindi mo na isipin muna na playoff yun. Otherwise, mas-stress ka lang na you're going to be putting so much pressure on yourself to perform. So if you enjoy the game, lalabas yung natural skills mo eh. Tapos pag lumabas yung natural skills mo, then yung plays na you've practiced in your training, very fluid ang labas nun. Very smooth. And then, before you know it, you got the set.
Well, let's see, sino nga ba yung makakalabas ng kanilang natural skills. Here in the second set, we're tied at 3-all. Nakuha ng Photon yung first set. Naiver Mulia serves, good serve. Punta tayo kay Tubino, gets that over, dug up by Lastimosa. Makatuno going back to Tiamzon, saved by Remulla once again. Regalo, nabalik sa side ng main and tail, Jendrauli. Makatuno saving that, and easy over from Orendain. Cortel goes to Argarin, combination play, Jendrauli, but too much for Makatuno.
Si Jendrauli, sabi niya, the first time, Makatuno, you got it. O ito, esa pa. Isa pa! Kasi Bisaya si Jendrauli eh. Napabisaya tuloy ako.
Ano yun?
Hindi, pero Bisaya rin ako. So,
really?
no offense to the Cebuanos, maayo. And that was long.
Yeah, that's, if I'm not mistaken, the second service error, or the second actually, I think, for...
Yeah, that's something na talagang they have to avoid kasi wala kang kalaban sa service.
Lastimosa, nice steady serve. Hits the line and scores again for Photon.
Alam mo yung bola ni Lastimosa, parang ang taas and then biglang nag-drop siya sa dulo.
Flat ball kasi, no? Tapos bigla yung spin. Well, let's see if she targets Tubino once again. This time she goes back to Cortel. Argarin. Dawson was dug up. Makatuno, Tiamzon. Ganda ng suporta. Makatuno babalik kay Tiamzon and she hits the line. Cross-court hit.
Ang ganda ng palo ni Tiamzon. Nakalusot sa blockers ng Praka and Jendrauli. Look at this replay.
Well, this ultra-fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family.
Ganda ng angle ng hit niya.
Cortel. Argarin, babalik na naman kay Jendrauli. Save, but Masyadong wild yung pasa na yun para kay Makatuno.
Oh, mahirap na habulin.
You know, I thought that was supposed to be outside na.
Ang taas kasi,
Oo.
no? Tapos nandun na si Lastimosa sa may line. So, yeah. Good serve.
Wow, that was
Wow!
block.
Single block lang kay Araneta by Samantha Dawson.
At saka pag dinignan mo yung height nila, ang layo ng
Oo.
diferensya. Araneta was so much taller than, or is so much taller than Dawson.
Pero makita mo yung arms ni Dawson, no? Talaga namang
Nakalabas.
litaw na litaw sa net. Alam mo kasi nung high school, ang training nila sa beach.
Oh,
Kaya,
kaya.
ang taas ng talon nito. Di ba you've played beach volleyball? It's really hard.
I tried. I wouldn't say na-execute ko ng maayos yung mga ginagawa ko.
Kasi hinihigop ka ng buhangin eh. And that's why mataas ang talon ni Dawson.
Makatuno, going back to Orendain, soft tip. Finding a donut hole but saved. Tiamzon, Makatuno, babalik na naman kay Lastimosa. Medyo mababa, she adjusts but not over.
That was really far take-off for a soft touch. Dapat inano na ni Lastimosa and hit it hard.
Oo.
Okay, tinop spin niya para umover sa net.
And serving for the Lady Stallions of Big
Abby Braca having 2 attacks already, serving. Finds Tiamzon. They will go back to Orendain. Power tip and Argerin is down.
There was no help there. That was a good save by Orendain, but the rest of the Photon Tornadoes parang nagulat sila sa effort ni Orendain.
Well, that will send us to our first technical timeout. Lady Stallions, 8-7.
Oh, and ang ganda rin naman panoorin ni Abby Braca because not just because she's pretty and tall, but she plays a really good volleyball except for that serve. Na on cue ako doon. Pero if she gets the ball sa middle, talaga namang more often than not nakakapunto siya for the Lady Stallions. Tsaka magaling din siyang blocker.
Dawson serving. Kuha ni Tiamzon. Makatuno will go back to Orendain. That was just too much for Mabayad.
Alam mo, that was a good hit there by Orendain. Dinaan niya sa kay Argerin because Argerin was a smaller blocker. Good sharp serve there.
Easy over from Cortel. Tiamzon. Makatuno. Babalik ulit kay Orendain. Save, Tiamzon setting it up. Patty, soft hit, dug up by Jen Drauli at, well, that was outside for Dawson.
I think nasa ilalim si Dawson doon ng bola eh. Yung approach niya was too advanced.
Tsaka yung tunog ng hit niya, no?
Oo.
Alam mo kung what they call that? Tap, bliss.
Yun na yun.
Oo. The bliss. Okay. Well, net violation committed by Ivy Remulla.
Alam mo, in the past game din, yun din yung parating na-experience ni Ivy Remulla, yung net violation. So, she should be more aware of yung distance niya sa net para ma-avoid niya to, mga net violations.
Well read by Lastimosa and Tiamzon, both deciding to let that one go.
So, Gustino now takes the place of Dawson. Let's see kung ano yung mabibigyan ng team captain sa spirit ng Lady Stallions.
Nice steady serve. Nakuha ni Cortel. Hendrauli sa setup. Si Tobino, but that was an overset.
Alam mo, pagka yun nga, like what you asked me a while ago, di ba? Kung off na yung set, i-easy over mo na lang para at least may chance pa na magkamali yung kalaban kesa easy point given to the opponent.
Maga better safe than sorry in that
Oo, correct.
scenarios. Argerin to Tobino and finally hits it off the block and gets a point.
Okay din to si Tobino eh. Nagkamali kasi si Argerin. Okay din yung judgment call niya. Binigay niya kay Tobino who just made a mistake and redeemed herself.
Well, this Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Well, tama. Like what you said, trabaho yun ng setter, no? Yung palakasin yung loob ng
Oo,
spiker niya.
important yun eh.
Makatuno to Remulla, dug up by Argarin. Babalik pa rin kay Tubino and hits it off the hands of Ivy Remulla.
Alam mo, kailangan mabilis ang kilos ng backliners ng Tornadoes when Tubino is in front because pagka na-deflect yung hits niya ng blockers ng Tornadoes, kailangan talaga habulin nila yung bola. Hindi kakayanin ng isang reception lang yun.
Argarino, they've been targeting Tiamzon. Babalik kay Orendein. And masyado namang malalakas para kay Honey Royce.
Oo nga, ang lakas nung palo niya. The ball went in between the net and the arms of the blockers. Coach Villette standing dito sa malapit sa Photon Tornadoes giving instructions.
Gendrauli just...
Si Gendrauli, tinignan pa yung blockers ng Tornadoes.
But every time she goes up, she ends up smacking the life out of that ball. Talagang, alam mo yun, full power.
Oo, siguro ano na rin yun eh, no, to pump up the teammates na, come on, let's do this.
Let Mabayad, sharp serve. Go back to Tiamzon, but well blocked.
You know, that ball fell right in, you know, one step na lang ang gagalawin ni Orendain, makukuha na niya sana yung bolang yun eh. Kaya lang, she kind of watched that ball go down.
And serving to take the lead, number 11, Ian Babayan.
Talion, Makatuno, they go back to Tiamzon. Lastimosa will set it up. Wonder Girl. Nakakuha ni Gustillo. Babalik kay Gendrauli. Lastimosa sa setup ulit si Tiamzon. Easy easy spike. Wow! Walang nagawa yung block ni Lastimosa.
Alam mo, sayang yung save ni Estampa. That was a good reaction. Kaya lang hindi na suportahan ni Lastimosa eh. Kung ako ni Lastimosa yun, good ball pa sana yun.
So serving number 11, Ian Babayan.
Got Mabayad with a almost not in serve.
Easy over by Estampa. Gendrauli bibigay kay Argarin. Babalik kay Gendrauli. Soft hit, but that was just way too soft.
I think what Gendrauli wanted to do was go over the hands of the
Yes.
blockers and let the ball fall right behind the bodies of the blockers. It was a good idea, kaya lang sobrang ang soft tsaka ang baba nga.
Oo. Royce Estampa. Finds Cortel. Argarin, babalik ulit kay Gendrauli, but that goes out.
Yun nga kasi ulit yung ginawa ni Argarin eh. Pinapabawi niya si Gendrauli because Gendrauli made a mistake. I think she should also give Praka the ball kasi si Praka high percentage din to eh.
Actually, yun nga yung tatanong ko dapat sa'yo. When is the right time to, you know, make your spikers redeem themselves at kailan yung time na dapat eh, pumunta ka naman sa iba?
O, alam mo, kailangan tinitingnan mo rin yung hitters mo kung pagod na ba eh. Kasi kung pagod na, hinihingal na, chances are mag-overcompensate sila kaya lumalabas yung bola o kaya hindi maganda yung angulo ng bola niya. That was a good hit there. Pasok siya from Stallions. So, dapat marunong tumingin yung setters sa mga kakampi niya.
Well, that will bring us to second technical timeout. 16-15, Phoenix Tail. Now we go back to the action. 16 serving 15.
Serving number 15, Royce Tubino.
Katuno, balik kay Lastimosa and down the line hit.
Ang ganda naman nun. Siya na nag-receive, Lastimosa na nag-receive, sa kanya pa rin binigay yung bola. Ang lakas ng sistema nitong nung babaeng to, si Lastimosa.
Nice steady serve. Cortel, Argarin, back to Bustillo, dug up by Lastimosa. Babalik kay Tiamzon. That was blocked, but saved once again by Cortel. Babalik kay Gendrauli, soft hit. Nakuha ni Makatuno. Easy over from her again. And that was a good play.
Alam mo, yun na naman eh, zone 6, nobody tried to get the ball. Kailangan these women of the Tornadoes have to be on their toes para mas mabilis ang galaw, may spring ang movements nila.
And serving for the ladies.
Danica Gianpaoli having 6 attacks and 2 aces already. And a good serve from her. Makatuno, babalik kay Wonder Girl. Blocked, Argarin. Quick hit, soft tip, but saved by Pantaleon. And Araneta setting it up. Wala, hulugan na nangyayari dito. Easy over. Pantaleon, Makatuno sets it up. Tiamzon! And nice cross-court hit from her.
Narinig ka kasi ni Tiamzon eh. Sabi mo, puro hulugan
Puro
lang
hulugan
nangyayari
dito
dito.
eh.
So she said, not all the time. Look at this replay. Good set, good height, perfect for Tiamzon.
Nice cut from Nicole Tiamzon.
Serving number 10, Nicole Tiamzon.
That was a good service. Nahirapan ng main and tail. Easy over.
Pantaleon to Makatuno. Araneta running hit. Nakuli. Babalik tayo kay Tubino. Argarin, quick play. Dug up by Pantaleon. Saved. Open hit by Gustilo. Cleaned by Lastimosa. Babalik kay Patty. But that was not over.
Oh, I think meron siyang arm swing but she was under the ball eh. Tapos, I think she knew na under the ball siya kaya nag-overcompensate niya, pinasharp niya yung hit ng ball, kailang nag-net. Kaya very important yung timing eh, 'di ba, sa approach ng mga hitters.
Nice serve from Abby Praca. Go to Patty. But that was overcooked. And point goes back to main and tail. They are now up by 2.
So ito, main and tail should take advantage no, sa momentum na parang binibigay ng Photon Tornado sa kanila. They have to keep the score going.
Argarin to Bustillo. And no one was there.
Hinahabol na dapat ni Orendain yun, kailang she stopped. And then now that Araneta's in front, I think the next play is to her.
Let's see. That serve did not go over. So ito na naman yung nangyayari sa main and tail.
Alam mo kanina, you asked me, di ba, kung meron bang effect na knowing na nasa playoffs na? Or kailangan ba mag-rest and take it easy? To a certain extent, kailangan meron kang konting pressure to make you move faster in the court, to make you not want the ball fall on the floor with no effort at all.
So you do have to challenge yourself all the time.
Yes. Lalo na ngayon, di ba, na whoever loses this game, wala na, tanggal na sila.
Lastimosa, Makatuno, go back to Arandain.
Gaya nun, kailangan, nagko-communicate dapat yung liberong si Nori Diaz tsaka si Gustilo. Kasi dapat yun kay libero ang kukuha nun kasi pa-side na kinuha ni Gustilo yun eh, yung bola.
Makatuno targets Gustilo once again. We go back to Tubino, blocked, but good coverage. Diaz hits up Tubino. And Lastimosa will now set up for Arandain. And soft hit for her works.
Huwag na niyang kukunin yung bola. Tapos, pag nag-block sila, huwag lang tatayo or tatalon, but kailangan ipayong nila yung mga kamay nila to ensure na yung hindi mag-off the block yung mga bola ng Tornadoes.
Let's see if they can make all of that adjustments. Arandain spiking and getting it through Argarin once again.
Talagang yun ang dapat gawin. If you're a smart hitter, go for the smaller blocker.
So serving number 8,
So first referees just trying to clarify kung sino ba yung captain natin.
Oh, you know what? I think it's because after that hit si Orendain, parang nag-stare down siya sa sa main and tail. So pinapakontrol lang ng referee yun.
Tiamzon, Makatuno, open set, Arandain. Saved by Diaz. Gustilo. Pupunta kay Tubino, but that goes outside.
Kaya nga, di ba yung mga setters dapat may mata sa likod?
Lahat ng part ng ulo mo meron dapat. Another good play, but well timed by Estampa.
And then saya nila, no? After that, rightly so, it was a good block. Look at this.
Well, that thunder block of the game is brought to you by Photon. Empower your business.
Ang ganda tingnan nung block na yon kasi synchronized talaga si Lastimosa at si Estampa.
Diaz. They go back to Tobino. Blocked once again. Saved by Mabayad. Tobino again blocked. And easy over. Makatuna, where will she go? They go back to Gurendein. Why not? But dug up by Gustilo. Third time. Lastimosa opens it ulit. Orendain blocked. Saved by Diaz. Another easy over from Gustilo. And combination play. Saved. But no support from the side of Main and Tail.
You know, you could see the energy, the difference in the energy level of the Tornadoes and the Lady Stallions. Itong Tornadoes, talaga namang they're having fun. Pagka nakapunto sila, talagang tumatalon sila and laughing. Dito sa kabila, halos walang energy. Kailangan talaga si Desengaño should do a better job than Argarin in putting the energy level up. Halimbawa ngayon, that was a free point for them with a service error from Makatuno. So take advantage na. Tatlo ang frontliners ni Desengaño. So kailangan utilize all three. Hindi lang puro kay Tubino.
Yeah, because she got blocked 3 consecutive times.
Binabantayan na siya talaga eh.
Makatuno goes back to Lastimosa. Goes over the block. Desengaño kay Gendrauli. Easy tip. Saved by Rendain. Set up by Pantaleon and Lastimosa. Easy over from her. Desengaño babalik sa open hit. Tubino. Power hit. Gendrauli also saved. Lastimosa soft hit. Nakuha yun ni Gustillo. Makatuno. Where will she go? Lastimosa. And a nice cross-court hit from Pam Lastimosa.
Ang ganda ng angle ng hit ni Pam Lastimosa. Naka-go beyond those blockers, and then it was such an angled hit that the defense of Lady Stallions were not able to do anything about it. Look at this. Angled hit.
And you know what's nice about that was that she tried to target Honey Royce Tubino as well. And that will end the second set, 25-22.